Welcome to Switzerland, a land of breathtaking beauty, known for its jaw-dropping landscapes, pristine lakes, and charming villages. Let's dive in. Our journey begins in the heart of the Swiss Alps, in the captivating village of Zermatt, a place where time seems to stand still. Imagine a place where the air is crisp and clean, invigorating your senses with every breath you take. Here, the only sounds you hear are the gentle tinkling of cowbells and the rushing waters of the Matter Vispa River. Beneath the towering presence of the Matterhorn lies Zermatt, a sanctuary for those seeking refuge in nature's grandeur. This car-free haven offers more than just breathtaking views. The absence of cars means the streets are peaceful. Zermatt is a paradise for adventurers, a place where the spirit of exploration is alive and well. In the winter, it transforms into a playground for skiers and snowboarders. And in the summer, it becomes a hiker's paradise, with trails that offer stunning views. From the majestic Matterhorn, we journey northward to Interlaken, nestled between Lake Thun and Lake Brienz. Interlaken is not for the faint of heart. This town thrives on adrenaline, a haven for those who seek to test their limits amidst awe-inspiring scenery. Imagine soaring through the sky with a brightly colored parachute, the panoramic vista of Interlaken spread out before you. For those who prefer their thrills closer to the ground, Interlaken offers whitewater rafting, canyoning, and mountain biking. It's also the gateway to the Jungfraujoch, the top of Europe, accessible by a cogwheel railway. Whether you seek adventure or breathtaking scenery, Interlaken will leave you breathless. Our journey through Switzerland now takes us to Lucerne, a city that embodies Swiss beauty, history, and culture. Nestled in the heart of the country, Lucerne is a place where the past and present coexist harmoniously. Imagine strolling through Lucerne's old town, with its charming half-timbered houses and cobblestone streets. Each corner you turn reveals a new story, a new piece of history waiting to be discovered. The iconic Chapel Bridge, adorned with historical paintings, is a testament to the city's rich past. This wooden bridge, dating back to the 14th century, is not just a crossing over water but a journey through time. Lucerne is also blessed with a stunning natural setting, nestled on the shores of Lake Lucerne. The lake's crystal-clear waters reflect the beauty of the surrounding landscape, creating a serene and picturesque environment. A boat trip on the lake offers breathtaking views of the city and its surrounding mountains. As you glide across the water, the majestic peaks of the Swiss Alps rise in the distance, creating a scene of unparalleled beauty. No visit to Lucerne is complete without an excursion to Mount Pilatus via the world's steepest cogwheel railway. This engineering marvel takes you on a thrilling ascent, offering spectacular views along the way. From the summit, enjoy a panorama of snow-capped peaks, shimmering lakes, and verdant valleys. The view from Mount Pilatus is a breathtaking reward for your journey, a sight that will stay with you forever. Lucerne is a memory to be treasured, whether it's the historical charm, the natural beauty, or the cultural richness. This city leaves an indelible mark on all who visit. From Lucerne, we venture to Zurich, Switzerland's largest city, a hub of finance, culture, and innovation. Beneath Zurich's modern facade beats the heart of a city steeped in history. A stroll through the Altstadt reveals architectural gems like the Grossmünster and the Fraumünster. Zurich embraces the present and looks towards the future, with the Kunsthaus Zurich showcasing an impressive collection of art. The Zurich Opera House is renowned for its world-class performances. Stroll along Bahnhofstrasse, window shopping at designer boutiques, or relax at a cafe along the Limmat River. Zurich offers a unique blend of tradition and modernity. Our Swiss adventure now takes us to Geneva, a city that embodies Switzerland's commitment to peace and progress. Known for its diplomatic significance, Geneva is a hub for international organizations and a beacon of global cooperation. Nestled on the shores of Lake Geneva, with the majestic Alps as a backdrop, Geneva exudes sophistication and natural beauty. The serene waters of the lake reflect the city's elegance, making it a picturesque destination. The Palais des Nations, home to the United Nations office, stands as a symbol of international cooperation. This grand building hosts numerous diplomatic meetings and conferences, playing a crucial role in global governance. Geneva's Old Town, with its narrow, winding streets and charming squares, is a delight to explore. Each corner reveals a piece of history, from ancient buildings to quaint cafes, offering a glimpse into the city's rich past. The St. Pierre Cathedral dominates the skyline, a reminder of Geneva's religious heritage. This historic cathedral, with its stunning architecture, invites visitors to step back in time and appreciate its spiritual significance. Lake Geneva, with its iconic Jet d'eau fountain, offers breathtaking views. The fountain, shooting water high into the air, is a landmark that captures the essence of Geneva's beauty and innovation. A boat trip on the lake is a must, providing stunning vistas of the city and surrounding mountains. As you glide across the water, the panoramic views of Geneva and the Alps create an unforgettable experience. Geneva is a city of history, culture, and international intrigue. From its historical landmarks to its vibrant cultural sites, the city offers a unique blend of the old and the new, making it a fascinating place to visit and explore. Our journey now takes us to Montreux, a town that embodies Swiss charm, nestled on the shores of Lake Geneva. Montreux lives and breathes music, with its annual jazz festival attracting music lovers from around the globe. It's also a gateway to the Lavaux Vineyards, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Imagine standing amidst terraced vineyards, the sun warm on your skin, and Lake Geneva spread out before you. The Lavaux region produces some of Switzerland's finest wines. Take a leisurely stroll or bike ride through the vineyards, stopping at local wineries to sample the local vintages. Montreux is a place to relax, recharge, and let the music and scenery wash over you. Our adventure now leads us to Lauterbrunnen Valley, a place of unparalleled splendor. Imagine standing on the valley floor, gazing upwards at sheer rock faces and cascading waterfalls. The valley is home to 72 waterfalls, each with its own unique character. Lauterbrunnen Valley is a hiker's paradise, with trails winding through lush meadows and offering breathtaking vistas. Explore charming villages with traditional wooden chalets and warm hospitality. Savor a hearty Swiss meal at a local restaurant, the flavors enhanced by the stunning surroundings. Lauterbrunnen Valley is a place that will stay with you long after you've left. Our journey now leads us to Bern, Switzerland's capital city, where history comes alive. Bern's Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a perfectly preserved medieval city centre. Cobblestone streets wind through sandstone buildings, each telling a story of the city's rich past. The Zittglocke, Bern's iconic clock tower, is a masterpiece of medieval engineering. Bern is also a vibrant modern city with a thriving cultural scene. Visit the Zentrum Paul Klee, dedicated to the life and work of Paul Klee. Take a leisurely stroll along the Aare River, enjoying the unique ambience of this captivating city. Our adventure now takes us to Swiss National Park, a sanctuary for nature in the heart of the Alps. Imagine stepping into a landscape untouched by human development, a vast expanse of towering peaks and pristine alpine meadows. Established in 1914, Swiss National Park is the oldest national park in the Alps. Explore the park's network of hiking trails, surrounded by nature's artistry. Keep your eyes peeled for diverse wildlife, including red deer, chamois, and ibex. Spend a night at one of the park's mountain huts, experiencing the peace and tranquility of the park. Swiss National Park is a reminder of the power and resilience of nature. Our adventure now takes us to Lugano and the Ticino region, where Switzerland's Italian heritage shines through. Imagine strolling along Lugano's lakeside promenade, the air filled with the sound of Italian and the aroma of espresso. Lugano, with its charming old town and world-class restaurants, is a delight to explore. Visit the Santa Maria degli Angioli church and take a funicular ride up to Monte San Salvatore for panoramic views. Venture into the surrounding countryside, exploring charming villages like Morcote and Gandria. Hike or bike through vineyards, swim in lakes, or relax at a lakeside cafe. The Ticino region offers relaxation, culture, and outdoor adventure. From the snow-capped peaks to the charming villages and sparkling lakes, Switzerland offers something for every traveler. Whether you're here for adventure, relaxation, or culture, you're guaranteed an unforgettable experience. So, start planning your trip and make the most of this beautiful country. See you on the next adventure. For more travel guide videos, subscribe, like, and comment for which place you would like to travel next.